Hi everyone and welcome back. If you've just signed up for Kinsta and feel slightly confused about what to do next, don't worry. In this beginner-friendly guide, I'll walk you step by step through installing WordPress on Kinsta. No technical jargon, no advanced settings, just the essentials. By the end of this tutorial, your WordPress website will be live and ready to customize. Before we begin, make sure you have an active Kinsta account and access to the MyKinsta dashboard. A domain name is optional for now. You can connect it later. That's it. Kinsta handles the technical server setup for you. Let's get started. First, go to my.kinsta.com. Enter your email and password, and click Login. After logging in, you'll see your MyKinsta dashboard. Now to create a WordPress site, click on Sites in the left sidebar. Then click Add Site. Select Create New Site. On the next screen, choose Install WordPress. Make sure you do not choose Empty Environment, since we want Kinsta to install WordPress automatically for us. Next, you'll need to choose your data center location. This step is important. Always select the location closest to your target audience. For example, if your audience is in India, choose Mumbai. If your audience is in the United States, choose the closest US region. Choosing the right data center improves your website's loading speed. Now, it's time to enter your WordPress details. Fill in your site name, create a WordPress admin username, set a strong password, and enter your admin email address. You do not need to enable WooCommerce unless you're building an online store. Once everything is filled in, click Add Site. Kinsta will now install WordPress automatically. This usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. After installation is complete, click on your newly created site. Go to the Info tab and then click Open WordPress Admin. This will take you directly to your WordPress dashboard. Congratulations! Your WordPress website is now live on Kinsta. Before you start customizing your site, there are a few small adjustments I recommend. First, change your permalink structure. Go to Settings, then Permalinks, select Post Name, and save changes. This creates cleaner and more SEO-friendly URLs. Second, delete the default content. Remove the Hello World post and delete the sample page. This keeps your website clean from the beginning. Third, and this is optional, you can check your PHP version inside MyKinsta under the Tools section. Make sure the latest stable PHP version is active for better performance. Now, let me quickly mention some common beginner mistakes to avoid. Don't install too many plugins immediately. Don't change advanced server settings unless you understand them. Avoid installing random optimization plugins right away. And always pay attention to choosing the correct data center location. Keep things simple at the beginning. Installing WordPress on Kinsta is surprisingly simple. The platform handles the technical setup, allowing you to focus on building your website instead of managing servers. If you're new to manage WordPress hosting, this clean setup process is one of Kinsta's biggest advantages. Your next step? Install a theme and start creating content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide. Install a theme and start creating content.